Guys, welcome back to Officially Coco. So today I will be showing you the Uggs that I bought from Macy's. I had these probably for about a month. I hate when I turn the ring light on because it's messing with it's reflecting on my glasses. Let me see if I can go down more. It's still gonna show it. So I gotta turn it off. So I hope y'all can see me because I'm just over it with my lighting. But I think these are low ones. I'm not even sure the name of them. I forgot. Let me see if it's in here. I meant to put all of that. Okay. But don't worry. I'll put it in the description. That way y'all know. So I did get these in a size 10. So these are ones that I ordered from Macy's. I got it in a 10. I normally can wear a 9 or 9.5. But sometimes I can't even double up. But I normally do it anyway. Double up on socks. Because my socks are kind of thin that I wear with these. So, yeah, I wanted to, you know, get a 10 this time. But I don't know. It's different. Like, if I wear the other ones, I can get a 9. Let me say that. If I get the other type of Uggs, I can get that in a size 9. But these, for some reason, I did have to get it in a 10. So let me clear that up. And y'all know I keep my shoes, even though I have it in a box, but I still put it in a container. Okay. On to the next. Now I was gonna do a separate video on this one, but it just came. UPS just dropped it off. I'm gonna do an unboxing. Can I get it open? So these are other ones. I saw these on Macy's website, but I hate when I can't find nothing to open this. So I saw these on Macy's website, but they didn't have it in my size. So I did read a review. A lot of people complaining, and because it's pretty much made, the sneakers, it still has the same quality as the boots. It's nothing like the hard sole like tennis shoes are. So I'm gonna have to not wear these every day. So this is an unboxing. This is the box because this is my first time seeing it, and it's gonna be with you all. Of course, this is in here. Let me put it right there. Oh, these are cute. I hope I can fit them. Y'all ready for this? These are the Ugg tennis shoes, sneakers. Aren't they cute, y'all? These are so cute. And it's double sole. I put the other ones up. I was trying to compare them. You know what? I'm gonna have to compare it. I'm gonna compare it, y'all. I got to. So this sole is a little lower. You see it? And this one is a little thicker, the tennis shoes. But look at them. They are so cute. Now, remind you, I ordered some more Uggs. Look, they messed up. They had stuff. I told you this is my month, October. And, I ordered some white ones. Now, these are sneakers. And I'll put that, once they arrive, I'll do a video on those. But look, y'all. I'll put all the link on it. I think they sold, you know what, they sold out. If you wear 10, they pretty much sold out. But these are nice, y'all. I hope I can fit them. So this is my unboxing with y'all. So this is it. So hopefully I can fit them and I don't have to send them back. I'm going to be mad because this is my size. And I'm praying I can fit these. But this is it. So you can see the difference. And they both tan. They had them in black, but they were sold out in my size. So I went with this one. Looks like a mark on here. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. That's like a mark. I ain't gonna trip. Oh, okay. But anyway, this is it. So these are both of them. Thumbnail. So anyway, these are it. So I wanted to be, I was gonna do a separate video. So I did want it, you know, I wanted this to be a separate video, but why not just doing both? I'm talking about Uggs. So yeah, these are it. So yeah, I wanted to show y'all these, and I wanted to thank y'all again for, you know, always watching officially Coco video. I always forget, like, I'm Coco, like, really. So I want to thank y'all again for watching my video. So once those shoes come, I will be doing a separate video from there, of course, because I already did. I was trying to do all of them together, and they told me both of them was gonna come today, but apparently they didn't. So I'll be bringing it to y'all as soon as I receive them. If they said the expected date was the 18th, so we shall see. 18th or 19th, one of them. So once I get that, let me move this, I got a notification. Once I get that, okay, notification keep come up. Y'all know I stay using my phone. So yeah, I'll let y'all know once they come. Again, don't forget to turn your notification bell on. That way you will know when I upload a video. And I want to thank y'all again for watching Officially Coco. I'll see y'all in my next video.